Ooh. Hey guys, what is up? We got some mystery boxes to unbox, the mystery bags. So we found these at Target. They now have two types of Pokeballs. There's this one and then the regular Pokeball. It's supposed to come with 3 packs of cards and a coin for $12.99. So let's see what we got. So we got, I don't know what the Pokemon name card is.
And we got a Sun and Moon, Barn Shadows, a Breakthrough, and a Crimson Invasion.
Cool.
I did Breakthrough because Breakthrough sucks. At least in my opinion, because I don't like big cards really. Paris, Dodo, Ghastly, Spritzy, Genai, Hallelujah, whatever. And Cinnamon Puller. And a Prince Hunter. And a Kakadon. Nothing good in that one. Told you. Bust. Bust. Okay. Crimson Invasion. I feel like these will be packaged. Weed! Goldfish. Dino. Remoraid. Little Swan. Miss Magmas. Still nothing. Oh, look at the Mantic! Season Nightmare. Ghost you and Bip.
Hope you guys, if you got the code, it's alright because we don't usually use the code.
I keep saying I want to use the code, but I can't get it to work. Okay, last pack is Burning Shadows. And it's not going to give us anything. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Grandma, woo! Goodbye. Chima! Kaibo no armor. Oh. See you time. There's a code for you all.
Then I also found at Target these little blind bags, superhero blind bags. They're $6.99 a piece, and it says over $20 worth of toys and collectibles in each bag. We got 2 of them.
And we're going to really see if it's actually worth like $20.
Yeah.
First up. Oh!
Oh, it's a little. It's Iron Man.
Those are mic things. Hang them from headphones, attach them to cables. Cool. Iron Man one?
Ooh, who's that?
It's from the one that... Oh, it's Batman!
That's Batman.
Look how cool that is! That's from the Batman vs. Superman.
Oh.
And then 2 Hub Snap collectible each foil pack.
Limited edition.
Okay, I'll open them. I don't know what the heck. Don't know what these are really.
Little hubcaps.
Oh, they're basically are.
Oh, they make poppy noises. Hee.
Oh, you get 2 in there. And we got... Ooh. Ooh. Anything else? I think that's all. Oh, wait. There's one more thing. And a keychain.
Ooh.
24 to collect. I don't know who that is. Do you all know who that is? Is that Ant-Man? I don't know who that is.
I don't know.
I think that's Hulk right there.
There's a bunch of characters in it.
I don't know. I don't know. Was it worth $20? Was it worth it? Probably, because this plush is probably these keychains. So keychains
$3.99.
$4.99, $3.99, $4.99. I think these were $5.99.
The plush is probably like 10.
$7, $8, somewhere in there.
Alright, we're gonna see. Is the other one worth it?
Kids don't use their teeth. Let's see. First thing, yep. Another one of these, and we got
Iron Man again!
Iron Man again. Oh, I hope it's not the exact same. Oh, I think it is.
Oh no. Uh-oh, guys. I think we got duped. Yeah, I don't know if they all come the same or if it's...
Well, we know these are Oh, yeah, you got more in this one.
Oh, we got more. We got 2 bags in this one.
Let's see if we get ultra rare. A golden keychain. There's Daredevil.
That kind of sucks we got the same. I didn't know they were...
And Iron Man! But that's okay. I mean, you don't know. It's a superhero.
Yeah. So I don't think all the bags are the same. It just happened that this one was pretty much the same. You know, of course we got different keychain, dog tags.
Ooh, look at Wonder Woman!
Wonder Woman
And Batman.
Batman.
Batman. Who's to say you're Batman? Batman. What's this?
And then this got tape.
Oh,
So
I
this
was gonna
is-
just pop it.
The medium-sized pip. What are they called? I don't know what they're called.
And it smells like
Pick Me Pops. This one comes with two plushies and 4 surprises.
what does it smell like? It's like watermelon or something. It's a finger thing now. What's this one?
So that's one of our special items you get.
It looks like a seal. It smells too. A seal. Oh, I got another finger dude. Come here, finger dude.
So somewhere in here is our checklist.
What the?
It's a clip.
Does it look wonderful? Oh, it stuck in my hair.
Alright.
Oh, I can't go. Oh, yeah.
Alright. So here are stickers. They smell like apples.
Oh, is that what am I smelling?
Yeah.
Apples?
So we got... There's still another blind bag. I
Yeah.
think. I think. This one.
It's a stick.
So we got Gumbo the Wombat and Flutto the Butterfly. I think it's butterfly. No, it's not a butterfly. Which one is that?
We got a flippy tail one.
Oh, we got the possum. Opa the possum. But where is the little... Somewhere. There's supposed to be their little name cards. Oh, I think I found them. Here they are. Nothing is impossible.
I dig your style. I'm Gumbo the Wombat. Gumbo the Wombat. And I smell like apples.
See? Alright, guys. Well, that was this video. Tell us if you want us to buy a few more of these to see if there's different things in them. Let us know if you want us to get the other Pokeballs, get some more of the Pokeballs. Let us know. And we will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.